Welcome to the tutorial for the Extended Day Enrichment Program registration process. When you click on the link to the EDEP registration page, this is what you will see. You are now at the registration form. Scroll down and click Start to begin. Please note that all required fields must be completed to move to the next section of the registration process. You are now at the account information page. To begin, please enter your email and create a password to establish your account. If your registration session is interrupted, this email and password can be used for up to 30 minutes to complete the form. Click Next to continue. On the program information screen, select the school and grade level for the upcoming school year. Enter the legal first and last name in the appropriate spaces. Click Add Child to add them to the list. If you have more than one child, select their grade level and enter their first and last names. Remember to click the Add Child button after each child you enter. Before you click the Next button at the bottom of the screen, please ensure all children have been entered. You will not be able to add additional children after clicking Next until you have finished the entire registration process. Once you have confirmed that all children have been entered successfully, click Next to continue. On the availability screen, immediate notification of your child's registration status will be provided. You will either see a message confirming the reservation of your child's space or a waitlist notification. If your child is placed on the wait list, their position number on the list will be provided. Click Next to continue. Please note that you must complete the registration form within 30 minutes to confirm that your child's space has been reserved or to secure placement on the wait list. On the name screen, you will see a checkbox labeled Authorization. Uncheck if you wish to cancel registration/waitlist for this child and continue to the next child. In order to continue the registration, enter the child's date of birth, gender, and ACPS student number. Your child's ACPS student number serves as their lunch number and is also available on the parent portal. If your child is new to Albemarle County Public Schools, this field is not required. There is an optional field for nicknames. Once your child's information has been entered, click Next to continue. On the address screen, please enter the child's home address and previous daycare or school attended information. Good news! If you are registering multiple children, information such as the address, parental information, physician's information, and emergency contacts will be pre-populated. Once completed, click Next to continue. On the Needs, Allergies, and Medical screen, please enter any special needs, IEP, or 504, and medical information for your child. If your child does not have allergies or medications, please enter none in the box. Then enter the name, address, and phone number for your child's physician. Once the information has been entered, click Next to continue. On the Family Information screen, you will be required to enter parent or guardian information, including the parent's name, physical address if different from the child, mailing address if different, the employer, home, cell and work numbers, and email address. Then select the custodial parent status. Please note, if the Not Permitted to Pick Up Child option is selected, legal documentation must be provided to the EDEP office. Once the information has been entered, click Next to continue. On the Authorized Pickup/Emergency Information screen, enter the name, relationship to the child, 2 phone numbers, and the addresses for the 2 authorized individuals. Once the information has been entered, click Next to continue. On the program schedule screen, you may enroll your child in the after-school program, the student holiday program, or both. If you enroll in the after-school program, select the appropriate after-school schedule. If selecting the part-time option, please specify the days of the week your child will attend. You may select up to 3 days. Additional information regarding day changes from cycle to cycle is found in the Parent Handbook. Confirm the first day of after-school attendance. Once the information has been entered, click Next to continue. On the Parental Agreement screen, please select Yes or No to give consent for the use of photos or videos of your child. Please carefully review the information and individual agreements on this page. Enter your full name, the date, and your child's safe word. The safe word is a password that must be provided at the time of pickup for the student to be released. Click Submit to complete your child's registration. If you have one child, follow the instructions on the screen. If you have multiple children, it will now prompt you to complete the registration for the additional child. Remember, the shared information for the children will be pre-populated. Be mindful, the space is not secured until the EDEP office has received the required registration fee.